Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to detach handheld mixer attachments, and these will be easy instructions. Once again, for the last time, I promise the title and the topic for this video is the following. In this specific video, I will specifically be showing you and telling you the following. I will be showing you and telling you how to detach handheld mixer attachments, and these will be easy instructions. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right over here, this is my handheld mixer. It is sometimes called a hand mixer. I actually think that's what it's called, like a hand mixer officially, I believe, but I call it a handheld mixer, so that's why I'm choosing to call it a handheld mixer, because that's just how I refer to it. Okay, so that's my way of my way of naming it. I call it a handheld mixer, but it can also be called a hand mixer depending on what you decide to call it. Okay, but this is mine over here. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with mine, how to detach these attachments right here with mine. Yours might be different, so it's your job to basically, give me one second. That's better. Now I can speak more clearly. So as I said, I'm going to show you how to do it with mine over here, but yours might be different, so it's your job to go and do your own research and figure out if you need different instructions or if these instructions will work for your mixer as well, for your handheld mixer or your hand mixer as well. That means you might have to look through the owner's manual for your hand mixer, or you might have to look through the user's manual for your hand mixer. You might have to watch a specific tutorial for your specific mixer. You might have to read specific instructions for your specific mixer. Okay, that's up to you. I'm going to show you how to do it with mine, and you can see if these instructions will apply to your mixer as well. So you got to do your own research, okay? Now, first and foremost, as you can see, it is unplugged. Whenever you're doing anything like this to a handheld mixer, I always make sure, and I recommend that you do the same, make sure it's unplugged, okay? As you can see, it's unplugged. It is powered off. It is completely unplugged. There's like completely unplugged, like with certainty, I could say that it is unplugged, okay? So I always do that. This way, you can use it safely and without really worrying too much. Now, you wanna, what I would say is look for something that will signify the release mechanism. Now, I know like there's no symbol over here, but I know this is the release mechanism. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna push this down, and as I push it down, the attachments will come loose and will be able to come out. Now, when I push it down, usually if I'm using it, I'll unplug it and I'll walk it over to the sink and I'll push this down and I'll just let them drop into the sink, just so that, because I can clean them after, so I don't have to get my hands dirty, right? But because they're clean, I'm going to show you that basically I'm going to remove them. But yeah, essentially, when I push down on this button, they're going to just be able to just fall right out, okay? But what I'll do is I'll get my fingers in here and I'll catch them. So I'm not pulling on them, but my fingers are able to catch them when they come out, okay? So I'm going to push on this button and you're going to see that they're going to come right out. So watch this. Take a look. We're going to push on the button. And as you can see, they came right out, okay? Very, very simple. That is literally how to detach the attachments on this handheld mixer. I'll put it back in one more time just to show you one last time how to do it. Really, really easy to do. Okay, as you can see, they are indeed in place. I'm gonna once again put my fingers here just so I can catch them. You know what? I won't even put my fingers there. Yeah, I'll do it this time. Put my fingers there so I can catch them. I'm just gonna push the button. They fall right out. One last time, I'm going to do it. I'm not going to put my fingers there. I'm going to just let them fall out. So you can see literally that they fall out. I'm going to try and catch them. I might not. We'll see how it goes. I might fail. I might succeed, but we're going to try and catch them. But as you can see, they're locked in place. They're securely in there, as you can see. Okay? And I'm going to push down on this button over here. When I push down on this button, they're going to fall out. The attachments will detach. So that's the button right there. My finger's on it. And we're going to try and catch them. Let's see if we can do it. Oh, wow. That was absolutely sick. That was awesome. Okay, I mean, those are the terms that I use. Listen, I know I'm a little bit older, right? I say that was sick, that was awesome. I know nowadays I use different terms, but that's what I'm gonna say. I'm really proud of myself for that one. But yeah, that's how to detach the attachments on a handheld mixer, specifically this one. And as I said, you gotta do your own research and figure out if these instructions will apply to your handheld mixer, or if you have to change the instructions up a little bit to make it work, to make the process work for detaching attachments with your specific handheld mixer. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. Hopefully you liked watching it. Hopefully we found it great overall. And other than that, I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.